smoke.
Why would you do that? I'm listening to the wrong motherfucking music. I'll be a bit tired right now.
You need to move. You can't. I want to walk. I know. They need a move instead of come out here. Oh, I know. Like, we have to get out. You two need to move. We need to go around behind here. Yeah, they need to do it.
Wait, stop. Wait, come down, wait. Look, wait. Here's my car.
You shouldn't have parked there.
The fuck are you doing, you stupid sucker?
Augusta for the lane, and I'm
Oh shit, get to the right. Accident, get to the right. It's that asshole. He hit someone. Lock screen. Lock video. There, got it.
Stay loyal. And when he flirted back, she confronted him. Yes, what my son did was messed up, but creating a whole